this video, I will show you step by step how to log in as Pankki of Finland. All you have to do, go to Google, search for as Pank Finland, and then click the first result here. After that, you will see this official website page. Just click login option from here. After click on login, you will see this page from here. You can scan your codes and you can download this app and you can log in successfully with app. Just open S Mobile and select me from the submit, and then all you have to do, guys, select read QR codes and follow instruction. All you have to do, scan codes and use username instead of QR codes. From here, guys, as I say, just write your username here. For example, this your PIN. You can write your with password, for example, your password here. Click English to get better result and click username from here and click your password from 6 to 8. Or you can use this PIN tables, guys. Write your user ID, from example your user ID, and then set up your password. If you don't have a free S Mobile app, you can use PIN and user ID to log in successfully. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video for more content.